Hello everyone. Are we tired of seeing all the Christmas things yet and are moving on to Valentine's, or shall I still share with you some of the new finds I'm finding here at Dollar Tree? These are all brand new boxes. I have not seen this vintage Santa. I haven't seen any of these gift boxes. The faux wood background, the moody colors with the dark background. And there's so many different shapes and sizes. These, I thought, you can even cut them out, fussy cut them and use them as decals. If you like that idea, you can make a card out of them on the white background cards. There's just so many things you can do. These are cute too. What are you using the boxes for? Do you gift anything in them specifically? Put treats in them? Oh, this one's giving me a hard time, but these are cute for displaying, like on a shelf or side mantle, and you're decorating for Christmas. Lots of boxes here if you're gifting clothes. And the tins, I'm so amazed that they have so many tins. These are nice for pens too. Like if you keep your pens or a notepad and pens in your kitchen, you can just put it in here. And it looks neat and tidy. Even in a tin like this, random stuff will fit nice. It doesn't just have to be for cookies, right? I've passed on this one all season long, and then now I'm finally caving and I'm wondering, should I grab this cheaper one? Because there's two sizes. And will I regret it or will I forget completely? I will probably forget, right? I'm completely amazed at how many new boxes and packaging there is. This is a new one to me. It has little dogs on it. There's a gnome print, Santa. The more neutral colored ones up top, and then the tins are starting to go now. Like they're starting to sell. I think more and more people are baking, and so there are less of the larger tins. We'll have some crafty material, lots of wood. Trees are still here, the little bows. These would be cute. Added with like a gift card on a card, or you can do some nice stuff with it. A lot of filler. I was thinking of flocking some of the plastic snowflakes. Take a look at the stationery. I've been pretty lucky lately finding some really nice brand stuff. Do these work nicely? They are dual tipped. But they have some of the Southworth. And these are packages, so you can obviously open them up and separate them and gift them to different people, because I think they're all lined pages, right? Has anyone opened up a package? I bought a few, but I haven't opened them because I just thought, oh, I'll just give out the whole package. But I'm now thinking maybe I can open them and make it stretch a little bit more. Has anyone done the craft paper wrapping style with like a little pine cone or a piece of pine tree, I don't know, little berry or something? These are selling pretty well, and you won't find them at all your Dollar Trees. So they're big kits of felt, and there are two different packages of colors. Oh, these are nice. Celebrate. Really well done. Oh, I love this one. Kind of has a Ray Dunn feel. I have a couple of her gift bags that say wine on them, but I actually like the cheers better. Pretty new bags. And they have some nice choices here. Sometimes some Dollar Trees, the bags are all cleared out. We have a nice selection of boxes and also some filler here, cellophane wrapping, all these things. Took a look in the party area, but I think I want to go down this craft aisle because this store has been getting a lot of new items. Beautiful new twine rolls. Natural jute with the colors, so great for wrapping gifts. The navy is pretty too. I have these tools. Does anyone know what each piece is for? Because this one only comes with 2. Lots of paint, glittery paint, all sorts of craft stuff. I'm not really seeing anything too new. They have some beads here maybe that I haven't seen before. Are these glass? I don't know. It's hard to tell. They might be. These ones look plastic, so it's hard to tell. Beautiful little gems. Sequins, if you need sequins or filler for shaker pockets and such, or even for ornaments. You can make, a Christmas ornament using these. The glitter too. I use the glitter actually for a pillow decal, like a DIY. Every so often I will take my time looking in this aisle, but it's not somewhere that I spend a lot of time in. Do you like looking at all the tools? This one here has a magnet tip, so it's really good in different parts of your house if you need to pick up little pieces of metal. I actually need a level. Do they normally sell these here? Perfect. This is a great package too, because in the craft area, they usually comes with 1 green and 2 brown, and I prefer the all brown jute or twine, whatever you want to call it. So what is this? A blue and a pink flashlight sort of thing. Lots of packing tape, and the nice thing is they have different colors sometimes. Super glue. Still have not found the gel super glue. All right, I'll take a look in the pet section here. There's the Hershey's toy. Cute, right? And they had Reese's Pieces as well, but I think that one sells the fastest. This is actually a really great find, the tool. So it can get pretty expensive. Now this one has a bit of a white effect on it, but if you can just find, oh, this one's cute. I love using tulle in layering effects for my paper crafts, like if I do embellishments. Vinyl paper. It's pretty. It's a very spring-like print. Lots of hand soaps to choose from. This one's a foam. They have a variety of different scents. Then I'll leave you with a DIY. So this is a Dollar Tree placemat, and they are dual layered. And I'm using some freezer paper as a stencil for this DIY. I took a copyright-free image from Google, and I'm just tracing the deer. Now, if you have a cutting machine such as a Cricut or Silhouette, just cut it out on your cutting machine. It will save you a lot of time. I just wanted to share with you, for those who do not have the cutting machine, that you can make your very own stencil and your own very own decals, and it works so beautifully. It's like a sticker, so you just iron it without any steam. And I'm using Mod Podge. You can also use a dishwasher safe one that can go in the washing machine. However, I'm just using regular Mod Podge from Dollar Tree and mixing it with some glitter. Make sure you apply it with a really thick paste. it will come out super solid and amazing. It'll feel like vinyl has been applied to the placemat. I let it dry for 24 hours, and then as you can see, you just peel back the sticker right off of the fabric, and you have yourself a beautiful DIY. These I've washed in a cold cycle for 15 minutes a couple times, and they've held up so perfect because I had a couple outdoors as well, and they're so easy to make and really cost effective. You can use an old pillow for pillow fluffing, or you can just use some from IKEA. I don't think they cost any more than $2. I cut a little opening in the corner, and the vinyl actually kind of stuck to each other on the inside, the Mod Podge. So just stick your hand through and separate the two pieces of the placemat. And I stuffed it really well all the way to the corners. Make sure you give it a good fluffing, otherwise then it's going to look like it's not filled nicely. You can sew it, you can stitch it, you can use iron on no stitch, you can hot glue it. Again, I used hot glue, and when I've washed these in the cold cycle, they have not come undone. I've had some for outdoor picnics for years made this way and never had a problem. So that's it. Then I just snipped away any little rings, and I have a cute pillow. I also made one with my monogram. I used a V, again, really nice thick paste, and then it just dried. And here are my 2 Christmas pillows. Now they have a whole bunch of prints at Dollar Tree, so be inspired to use whatever fabric you love. I also will share with you how I use the little vinyl deer and snowflakes around my house for Christmas decorating. Just little accents here and there. I always think finish off your Christmas decor. And the gorgeous snowflakes that are from Dollar Tree that are flocked, they have a texture on them. So pretty with the lights in the tree at night. I love them. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for watching, and thank you for allowing me to share with you. Until next time, bye for now.
All of our neighbors' twinkling lights, all of our youthful eyes so bright. We'd never seen the sky so white, and I just want that winter feeling. Very merry, happy holiday. Close your eyes, I wish it never goes away. All of our loved ones, and no one without one. Very merry, happy holiday to you. And cinnamon heaven fills the air. I want the biggest cup to share. Somebody's playing Nat King Cole.